Hello guys, today we are going to discuss type 2 problem in construction. So construction, that is construction of a triangle. We will construct a triangle, construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. Means one triangle will be given, we have to construct another triangle which is similar to this triangle with given ratio, with given ratio of sides. So in these types of questions, first you will be given a triangle. So one triangle will be given. So first step will be a triangle will be given. We have to draw a given triangle. So draw a given triangle. So for drawing this given triangle, just remember these. For drawing a given triangle, we will be given sometimes all the three sides or two sides, and one angle will be given, or one side, two angles will be given. That we have done already in class 9th and 10th, how to draw the triangle with the given sides or angles. So first we will draw that triangle. Second thing that will be given in the question, that we have to draw the similar triangle whose sides are in the ratio 2:3 or 3:2 or whatever ratio is given. So second thing, what will be given in the question? Ratio. That is important. So in the ratio, sometimes you will be given 2:3 ratio, sometimes you will be given 3:2 ratio. So what is the difference here? Here the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Here numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here numerator is bigger than the denominator. So that is the difference here. So remember 2 points while drawing similar triangle to the given triangle. Number one, just see that whichever is maximum. Suppose here 3 is the maximum value of out of numerator or denominator is what here is 3, and here also the maximum value of numerator or denominator is 3. So whatever is bigger, either numerator or denominator, you have to just remember that these points. Remember, whenever we will do the question, I will explain you more better. So mark of 3 points. That means we have to mark of 3 points, and here also we have to mark of 3 points. Okay, because 3 is the biggest value out of these two. And second thing that you have to remember, this is A and B, you have to join according to the denominator. Here denominator is 3. In this question, denominator is 3. So you will join A3. You will join A3 to whatever the vertex is given. Suppose A, B, C, B is given here, or it can be C, to vertex of triangle. Similarly here the denominator is 2. So as the denominator is 2, so join A3. You will join A2, because denominator is 2, so you will join A2. These two things if you will remember, then you can easily do the question, because there is a difference between drawing 2:3 and 3:2. So first we will take the first example, 2:3. So our question is, construct a triangle in which AB, BC and AC. I told you the first part is according to our class 9th or class 8th. Here all three sides are given. So I suggest you take the biggest side as a base, but you can take any side. So if we will take base AC as 6 centimeter, so take it as 6 centimeter base. So this is 6 centimeter AC. First we have to draw the given triangle ABC, where AC is 6 centimeter, it is 6 centimeter. Then you have BC and AB 4 centimeter. So B, if you will take B here, so AB will be 4 centimeter. So you have to just measure it as 4 centimeter and draw an arc 4 centimeter, and from A draw an arc. Then how much will you take from C? From C to B, that means BC. BC is 5 centimeter. So now you have to measure 5 centimeter radius and draw another arc which intersect this arc, and you have to join the intersection of these two arcs, and this point is B. So you are getting ABC as the given triangle. Okay, now you have to draw a ray making an angle, obtuse angle, with the side AC, AX. This is common in both type of constructions. Okay, but now I told you that here what is the ratio here? 2/3 times means 2:3 ratio. So we have the biggest number is 3. So biggest number is 3. So biggest is 3. So we will divide this ray AX into 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3, and name it as A1, A2 and A3. Generally, if here A is coming, we are giving the name as A1, A2, A3. If here B is coming, we are giving B1, B2, B3. Now, as I told you that the second point, what I told you about drawing, you have to remember the 2 points. Number 1, which is the maximum value out of the numerator and denominator? 3. So we have to mark 3 points. Then after that, actually this you have to remember, because in the previous part 1, the line we did the division of a line, but in that case 2 plus 3 we added the part and we divided into 3 plus 2 5 parts. Okay, but here is different. Here you have to divide according to the biggest number out of the numerator and denominator. So A3. Now denominator is 3. So A3 you will join. What will you join first? A3. So first you will join A3 because the denominator is 3. As it is 3, so A3. Just remember A3. You have to join A3. Join A3 to C. Okay. Now you have to draw 2:3 parts, means A2 is 2 and A2 A3 is 3. So 2:3. So 2 is coming A2. So numerator is A2. So then you will join A2. You have to draw parallel line A3C which is passing through A2. So in order to draw parallel line, I told you we need to know that how much angle this C A3 is making with AX. If the same angle we will draw here, then we will get the parallel line. So we have to measure this angle. From this angle you can measure like this, put here and check that whether this is cutting at the intersection or not. So this is about, so like this you will get the straight line. Now draw the straight line, but check that it should be parallel to A3C. So you can see that it is passing through and it is parallel to A3C. So A2, this part AC, so this you can give it as C dash. Okay, now again draw a parallel line to BC. So similarly you need to know how much angle BC is making with AC, so you can fix it and draw an arc at C and C dash, and then you can measure it how much angle is this. Like this you can put here, so this is the point. So just joining this point you will get another straight line which is parallel to BC, passing through this point and parallel to BC. So this point will be B dash. Now you can see that the triangle which you are going to make should have 2:3 ratio, means AC dash, because your similar triangle we got A B dash C dash. What we got? A B dash C dash triangle is similar to triangle ABC, such that their ratios, means the triangle that you are going to make, that is similar triangle AB dash upon AB. Now you can see that AB dash upon AB dash is less, so 2/3, it will be 2/3. You can justify by measuring also. You can take the length and divide, it will come about, this is 4 centimeter and it will be coming about 2.5 centimeters. So the ratio will be 2:3, always you will get. Okay, so this is the first type of construction. So you can see that here we have to draw A B dash C dash inside the given triangle ABC, because we have to draw 2:3. And now you can write the steps of construction. What are the steps of construction here? First step was draw a triangle, draw a triangle ABC with sides. What was the given side that you read? With the sides AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Then second point, this point no need to elaborate too much for drawing this one. We can draw a line segment AC of length 6 centimeter and draw 2 arcs intersecting. That part we have done already in class 9th and 8th. So just you write, draw a triangle with the given values. Then draw an acute angle CAX. Okay, so below AC you have to write that below or above, because we are drawing below, so we should mention here below AC mark an acute angle CAX is an acute angle. Now third point, I told you which is bigger, numerator denominator, which one is the biggest one. So 3 is biggest one, so along AX mark of 3 points. So along AX mark of 3 points A1, A2 and A3, such that we have taken equal distance, so we have to write it such that A1 is equal to A1 A2 and which is equal to A2 A3. Then last point that you have to remember, that denominator is 3, so A3 will be joined with the another vertex of the given triangle. So simple join AC or A3 to C, join A3C. Then we have to draw 4th point through A2, draw a parallel line through A2, draw A2C dash, A2C dash parallel to A3C. And sixth one, through same, we have to draw another parallel line from C dash, which is C dash B dash parallel to BC. So through C dash, draw C dash B dash parallel to CB. Therefore, A B dash C dash triangle A B dash C dash is the required triangle. Is the required triangle. Okay, so this is the first type, and the first type has two parts. One part where the numerator is greater than the and denominator, and denominator and numerator is less than the denominator. So here numerator is less than the denominator. So same question, now we are going to take the same question, but now we will do the same question. See this, everything is same, only instead of 2:3 here it is given 3:2. So numerator is bigger than the denominator. So in this part again we have to draw the triangle, but the ratio is 3:2 and other things are same. So we will take the same way, 6 centimeter denominator, means I mean to say 6 centimeter base. So AC is 6 centimeter, and then draw two arcs. One is 4 centimeter, that we have done in the previous questions. Same thing, 4 centimeter, draw an arc at 4 centimeter, another arc with 5 centimeter, so join this intersection is B, so join ABC. This is the given triangle. Okay, and similarly you have to make an acute angle AX, CAX, an acute angle. Now let us see that which is bigger, 3 or 2? Which one is bigger? 3. So 3 parts, we will draw 3 parts first. First we will draw 3 parts. So you can take any length, but once you decided, then don't change it. So this is one part, second part, and third part. So you can name it as A1, A2, and A3. Now see, this is the main turning point where you have to remember. See this, up to here both are same. But here you had joined A3 to C. Now you have to join A2 to C, because the denominator is 3. Denominator is 2. It is 2, so A2. You have to join A2. A2 to C. This is the difference. A2 to C. You will join A2 to C. Now you need the triangle outer side. So what you have to do, you have to produce AC. Just produce AC. Okay, this side, and similarly this side also we need afterwards. So we are producing this one also. So these two sides will be produced. Now you need to draw a line parallel to A to C at A3. So similarly I told you, you can take any radius here, the same radius, draw an arc at A3. So A3, A2, and then measure these arcs. So this angle should be taken exactly here. So with this you are getting at this point. So you can increase this one. So we got this point. So we got the line which is parallel to A to C. So just check when you are drawing, just check these 2 points should intersect and it should be parallel to this one. So this point will be C dash. Okay, now you have to draw above AC, same angle. Similarly, you will take an arc on these two and measure this angle. This angle is measured and same arc draw here and then join it to get another line which is parallel to this line. Just while drawing, just check that it should be parallel to this one. So see, this is parallel to this one, so this point will be B dash. Okay, so our similar triangle that we have drawn, given triangle is ABC and similar triangle is A B dash C dash. So triangle A B dash C dash is similar to triangle ABC. You can see their ratio. AB dash should be greater. You can see that AB dash, check, because 3:2 ratio. 3:2 ratio. So just remember these 2 points, maximum part and the denominator part. So AB dash, if you will find AB dash upon AB, so see that B dash is bigger and AB is smaller, so you will get 3:2. This is the justification of this one. And the steps of construction you can write as we have done in the previous one. Draw a triangle, given triangle ABC, draw a ray AX, mark off 3 points A1 A2 A3, then A2 join to C, through A3 draw a line parallel to A to C, and then draw a line C dash B dash parallel to CB, and our required triangle is A B dash C dash. So after doing this one, I am giving you one worksheet. This worksheet has 4 questions. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this 1 to 3 questions, and this is question number 4. So you can do the practice of doing these questions. I put all types of questions, especially which are having numerator bigger and numerator lesser than the denominator. That's all. So you wait for the third part.